Unless you've been living under a rock, you've probably heard a lot recently about AI. People are going nuts over ChatGPT, and doomsayers are predicting that we're all going to get replaced by robots. As a business owner, what do you need to know about ChatGPT and AI for your business? Keep watching. Hi, I'm Tom Malesic, founder and president of EZMarketing, and you're watching Ask Easy. This is where small business owners go to get real answers to their marketing questions. What is ChatGPT and why is AI content such a big deal all of a sudden? ChatGPT is an AI-based chatbot that understands natural language and can generate human-like responses to your questions. It was released to the public in November of 2022 and it went viral, and for good reason. This thing can carry on a complex conversation, generate detailed code, and write a blog post in just about any topic you can think of, all in a matter of seconds. AI-based writing tools aren't new. They've been around for a few years now. Many of them are even built off of ChatGPT's technology. But suddenly, everyone has access to this tool that's able to generate vast amount of content that's scary good at sounding like a human. And it's changing the way people are looking at business, education, marketing, and a whole lot more. So how do you use it? If you haven't already checked out ChatGPT, you really should. It's made by a company called OpenAI. If you go to their website or just Google ChatGPT, you can create a free account. Once you're in, ask it something, just like you were talking to a real person. You could say, give me a list of the most popular marketing tactics for small businesses. It also remembers your conversation, so you can follow up with what are some frequently asked questions business owners have about each of these tactics. And it will give you a whole list of frequently asked questions. So what is it good at? These AI tools are super helpful for brainstorming. Things like, give me 10 possible titles for an article about X, or write an outline for a blog comparing the pros and cons of Y. If you need ideas or some copy to start with, these are great tools. But what is it not good at? I'm sure you can see how powerful this is, but please don't fire your writers or start churning out blog posts and copy-pasting them on your website. There are a couple big drawbacks. First, it's not always accurate, even though it acts like it is, so always fact-check whatever it tells you. Next, you don't want to just use what it spits out verbatim. Yes, it can write a lot fast, but it doesn't have your experience or your personality. You're going to want to edit it and add in your own detail and style. And finally, if you're using it for SEO, please be careful. There are still a lot of unknowns. There are tools out there already that can detect AI writing, and Google is likely to penalize low-quality AI content. The bottom line is ChatGPT and other AI content generators are amazing tools, but they're only as good as the person using the tool. Like everyone else, we're figuring out how to use AI to help us work better and faster, but it's not a replacement for real human beings. For more information on ChatGPT, check out the resources and links below. And of course, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.